Yeah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm King Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Randall Technology Company is an online business booster that help you increase your daily, weekly, or monthly income as a businessman or woman. So don't hesitate to work with us. If you want us to work, contact us on the number in my description or follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. The name is Randall Technology. Yeah. On today's episode, I want to show you how you can increase your CPM. How you can increase your YouTube CPM. Yeah. So a lot of people have been asking me how did I make it? Like how did I got $20 from 100 views? Are you surprised? I'm not surprised. Yeah, they're asking me how did I got $20 from 100 views. Oh, and I got $12 from 100 views. So today I want to show you how you can increase your CPM, increase your YouTube CPM. So number one, the first point on how you can increase your YouTube CPM is by sharing your links to the right audience. Sharing your links to the right audience. Sharing your YouTube links to the right audience. Yeah. So let's assume you're an African YouTuber and you do a lot of videos concerning, let's say, beat making or how to make money online. So you have to join Facebook groups more, but the Facebook groups you are joining, you have to make sure that the groups are foreign groups, like the groups are based in UK, US, and kind of things, so that if one person watch from US, you'll be getting a lot of money and your CPM will be increasing. Yeah. So you have to share your links to the right audience, and the right before you can get the right audience, you have to search for people, or you have to search for people who likes what you're doing, your niche, who likes what you're doing on Facebook. Then you share your links to them and they will watch it, and you'll be getting a lot of money and your CPM will be pushing high. Yeah. And number two is you have to make trendy videos. Yeah, at times you're doing your videos or you're doing your own thing. Yeah, that's cool, but at least you have to fuse what you're doing to a trending topic so that it will get a lot of audience or a lot of traffic, and this can boost your CPM. So make sure that you do videos on trendy topics so that it can boost your CPM. Yeah. And my final point is, like, when you're doing the videos, at least some videos must not exceed 10 minutes or 8 minutes, but because you want to boost your CPM, you have to try to do videos more, like the length must be 11 minutes or above, so that you can place a lot of adverts on it. Get what I'm trying to tell you? So that you can place a lot of adverts on it. Because, like, let's say you did a video about 3 minutes and someone do a video about 11 minutes, the money you guys will be cashing out will not be the same. Let's say the 3 videos got 1,000 views and the 11 minutes video got 1,000 views. The person who did the 11 minutes videos will get a lot of money than you who did a video around 3 minutes. So please try and do videos from 11 minutes upwards so that you can place a lot of adverts on it, and doing this you can generally boost your CPM. There's no magic anywhere, there's no cheat or secrets anywhere. You can do it by hard working and by sharing your links to the right audience. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, and I'm out. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, you can ask me, or you can leave a comment and I will get back to you so that we can interact. I'm out. Catch you same time next week. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company, and I'm out. Pow.